What's up, party people? So today we got something very special for you. So today we're gonna be doing, we're gonna make our own arcade game.
So this is the stuff that you build with. There's the markers, the laser, the thing to hold up the board with. And these are the things you stick the targets on. And you stick targets through there. And this piece goes through the holes.
So he's already started on it a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna do a time lapse. He was too eager to actually wait, so we stopped and we were like, let's just share it with our viewers. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, this is the time lapse of the build.
Wait. Those are the prizes.
These are prizes for in-game pieces. So
Yeah.
all right, and there's a diagram of
Building it. Those are the instructions.
Now let's get to building. Now he's going to be putting it together. Look at that artwork.
Okay, so you grab one of these things. We're still gonna use it. After you take it. Okay, so you grab this plate and you take the target. That was easy. Okay, now we put it through this slot. Don't put the curved side on it because it's not curved. Big G put this part together. Let's put the laser on here.
You gotta clip it.
Okay.
Should be in the center.
On the side. So, if you, this is how you aim. This is how you hit side to side. push the trigger, it hits where you actually want to hit. If you want to do it without turning, you can just slide it. Slide it.
Okay. Now, give us a demonstration.
So, you just try to hit those targets. That's a perfect shot for it. Strike two. Strike three. Oh.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have him do a real game. He's got 30 seconds to knock down all the targets. If he can't do it in 30 seconds, he loses. And start. Come on. Knock him down. You got 20 seconds. Move on to the next one.
Hold on. It's almost done.
There you go. Oh, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1.
I only had one left.
I got one left. He actually couldn't do it. All right. Well, that's the end of our video.
I'm Little G.
I'm Big G. We'll catch you guys next time.
Don't forget.
I remember just a bit back, with a week back, I was standing in a lot with a brown sack. I was begging for a penny for my next meal, and I had to sell my stamps for a gas deal. No money to my name, but I had spirit, the heart of a dreamer, and you can't kill it. Yeah, broke round boy.